Why do stories work, especially in an influence setting? There's all kinds of theories and research, and this chapter helps you understand why we must always include stories when we want to influence. For years, centuries in fact, we've seen the power of storytelling, and knowledge and information has been passed down from generation to generation. Fast forward to today, and humans still use stories even in a business setting, but we often think it's best to be logical and formal. That's rubbish, and whoever came up with that idea should be shot. In a typical business setting, where we pound the audience with mind-numbing facts and figures, two parts of our brain are activated, one for language processing and the other for language comprehension. When this happens, the audience's critical and rational mind will often ask tough questions to challenge. Brain science research has discovered that a story activates 7 parts of a brain, and you can even feel, taste, smell, see and hear the elements of the story come to life as if you were there in the story. It makes your case more emotional and memorable, which in turn means people will feel it more and remember it more. Useful when influencing, right? Just as importantly, research has discovered that when we listen to correctly crafted stories, our brain produces a chemical called oxytocin, otherwise known as the trust hormone. And isn't trust a key factor when you want to influence anyone? This means more stories equals more trust, and more trust equals more influence. Remember then, the benefits of storytelling to influence are not fairy tales or science fiction. It's proven by science. And this means we just have to use more 30 to 90 second stories and influence becomes easier. See you in the next chapter.